With Excel charts, it is very easy to create trend lines for your data. So you can see in this chart over here, right, we have our sales period for the 12 months, and then we have our sales values. And then you can see on the right here, we have our trend line. You can see this one. It shows you which direction the trend of your data is going. So it gives you the trajectory as well. Okay, so we can create this very easily, and I'll show you in a few steps. So here's what we'll do. Let me just select the chart. Let me just delete this so that we can create from scratch. Make sure to highlight your table of data, okay, including the column headings. And then let's go to insert recommended charts. Okay, and then let's select all charts and then go to line. We just need the line chart over here. Okay, so that's looking good. Let's go okay. Okay, now we have our line chart, but there's no trend line. And to add that one quickly, just right click on the line of your line chart and then just select add trend line. Now inside the format trend line window or pane over here, just make sure that linear is selected, which is the one that we want, right? Just close this. And now you have your trend line in your chart, and we just do some cleanup. Let's say for the chart title, just remove it. And now you can use the trend line to predict on where the trajectory is going in the succeeding periods.